Welcome back, guys. Pattaya House Builder is back with another amazing social event.
We are here to support the local forest plantation. These guys here are doing a great job and taking care that place always gonna look nice for us.
Here, just 30 minutes from Pattaya in the Shijan area. It is a very beautiful place full of mountains. They also have a biking trail that you can go around the mountains 18 kilometers. You should check that out.
So we're gonna plant all these small plants with these tools to the ground behind me, and soon this is gonna be a huge forest. And now let's give water, because without water it's not gonna survive. Actually, it's damn hot here, super crazy sunshine. Who wants to help me? Come help me. So let's water the. Now we're gonna cut this because we want to cut like this. We want to give salt to the animals. So brown, I thought that it's white. Ooh, that's vacuum salt.
That's the crystal. These are the crystals.
So now we are basically helping to the community with doing what?
We are mixing everything together now, and then once the rain comes, it's going into the systems.
Yes.
This is the rain. The rain arrived.
ใช้น้ำเยอะๆใช้น้ำเยอะๆครับ
So what you see here holding back the rainwater, and this was the donation of a big Thai company.
Maybe we can make it even bigger in the future.
This was an amazing event in the forest. Pattaya House Builder is happy to donate for this amazing environment.
We had a great day again. Subscribe our channel to see more videos of us. Great houses are coming soon.
And see you guys in the next episode.
Hey!